Welcome to the quick guide to moving in the 3D editor and desktop view mode. To move around the scene in the editor, hold down the right mouse button and press the WASD buttons on your keyboard to move in the 4 horizontal directions. Also, pressing Q and E will make the camera fly up and down. Okay, now let's switch to desktop view mode. In the desktop view mode, press the WASD buttons on your keyboard to move. Press Ctrl to tilt. To run, hold down Shift and press the WASD buttons. Press Space to jump. If you need to select something with the pointer on the screen without rotating the camera, hold down Alt and select an object on the scene with the mouse. If you need to rotate an object that you are holding in desktop view mode, hold down the mouse wheel and move the mouse. Join our Discord community to chat with other developers and learn awesome VR development hacks.